DR is conducting demonstration on July 26 against the budget introduced in the Parliament by the Finance Minister. In this budget, 2.62 crores have been allotted for railways, but railway name was spelled out. Filling up of vacancies were not there. 3.12 lakhs of vacancies are there in railways. It was not announced. And overall, central government 10 lakh vacancies are there. It was not been announced for filling up of that. And another in this budget, for new tax regime, 25,000 has been raised in the standard deduction, and family pension also, pensioners, the standard deduction. For the old tax regime, there is nothing improvement in this budget. And another thing, all expected, including SRMU and the media, all expected that NPS and GPS Somnathan Committee report will be announced. But in this budget, it was not announced. But Finance Minister said consultative approach of union should be there. In the Somnathan Committee report, the one word is there. So the government is expecting that union should come forward for GPS. Restore OPS all unions demand except SRMU. So that we should demand for restore OPS. 8th pay commission has not been announced in this budget. We should fight for that. And not only that, drivers, our working hours have not been reduced. It was not spelled out anything about this budget. And another thing, in this budget, this budget is anti-people. It is not creating employment opportunities for anti-farmer. The production which the farmers are giving, the common minimum price has not been ensured for them. And not only that, internship training for 20 lakh youths, unemployed youths has been announced. In that scheme, the corporates will get money. The foreign corporate tax have been reduced like that. All monies are going to corporates. This is a corporate budget. And for Bihar and Andhra, the budget has given nearly 60 crores for Bihar and 15,000 crores for Andhra government. For like that, all other state has been not benefited. So that this budget is against anti-people, this budget is against anti-youths. This is not a budget which is controlling the price rise or controlling the inflation. So that the DRU was planned for demanding the restore of OPS and for implementation of 8th pay commission and filling up of vacancies and control the price rise. Everything should be there. Creating the employment opportunities. For this issue, DR is conducting demonstration on July 26 this year. Thank you all.